We're revealing not a button, but something far more accessible and delicious. 3 remarkable foods that act as powerful metabolic accelerators. This isn't about restrictive diets or complicated meal plans. It's about leveraging the inherent power of specific ingredients to subtly, yet effectively, boost your metabolism. We'll unpack the scientific wonders behind each of these metabolic marvels, showing you how their unique properties can enhance fat burning, increase energy expenditure, and even improve satiety. Prepare to discover how simple additions to your daily plate can make a tangible difference in your body's efficiency, leading to a more energetic and vibrant you. The concept of boosting your metabolism often conjures images of intense workouts or exotic supplements. But what if the key lay in something as simple as what you choose to eat? Our first incredible food, a true champion of metabolic enhancement, is chili peppers and their active compound, capsaicin. Imagine a tiny internal fire igniting within you, not uncomfortably, but subtly increasing your body's energy expenditure. The magic behind chili peppers lies in capsaicin, the compound responsible for their characteristic heat. When you consume capsaicin, it triggers a fascinating physiological response. It activates transient receptor potential vanilloid 1, TRPV1, channels, which are found throughout your body, including in your digestive tract and nerve endings. This activation leads to a mild increase in body temperature, a process known as thermogenesis. Think of it as your body gently turning up its internal thermostat. This elevation in heat production requires energy, meaning your body burns more calories to maintain this slightly higher temperature. But the benefits extend beyond just thermogenesis. Research suggests that capsaicin can also influence fat oxidation, encouraging your body to utilize fat for fuel. It's not a dramatic shift, but a consistent, gentle nudge towards greater metabolic efficiency. Furthermore, there's an intriguing payoff. Capsaicin has been shown to potentially reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness, helping you feel satisfied with less food. This dual action, boosting calorie burn and potentially curbing cravings, makes chili peppers a surprisingly potent tool in your metabolic arsenal. So, whether you prefer a subtle hint of spice or a fiery kick, incorporating fresh chili peppers, cayenne pepper, or even a dash of hot sauce into your meals can be a delicious way to give your metabolism a gentle wake-up call. Our second metabolic marvel, often underestimated in its power, is green tea, specifically its catechins and caffeine. While we've previously touched upon green tea's broad health benefits, its specific impact on metabolism is truly remarkable. The primary active compounds at play here are catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, and a moderate amount of caffeine. Here's the clever twist. EGCG and caffeine work synergistically to amplify each other's effects. Caffeine acts as a stimulant, increasing alertness and slightly boosting energy expenditure. But EGCG introduces a unique dimension. It's believed to inhibit an enzyme that breaks down norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that signals your body to burn fat. By allowing norepinephrine to remain active for longer, EGCG essentially extends and enhances the fat-burning signal. Imagine a natural, gentle accelerator for your body's fat oxidation processes. This isn't about a sudden, jittery surge, it's a sustained, subtle elevation in metabolic rate. Studies have shown that regular green tea consumption can indeed increase daily energy expenditure and promote fat burning, particularly during exercise. Furthermore, the L-theanine in green tea, while not directly metabolic, creates a state of calm focus that can indirectly support healthier eating habits by reducing stress-induced cravings. So, whether you enjoy it hot or iced, starting your day with a cup of green tea, or sipping it throughout the afternoon, provides a delicious and scientifically supported way to keep your metabolism ticking along efficiently. It's a daily ritual that quietly but consistently supports your body's calorie-burning capabilities. And now for our third, often surprising, metabolic hero, ginger. Most commonly recognized for its digestive soothing properties, ginger holds a compelling secret weapon for your metabolism, particularly through its thermogenic effects. The active compounds in ginger, gingerols and shogols, are what give it its pungent flavor and its remarkable ability to generate heat in the body. Similar to capsaicin in chili peppers, these compounds can induce thermogenesis, albeit through different pathways. When you consume ginger, your body experiences a gentle increase in core temperature, leading to a subtle rise in energy expenditure as your system works to regulate this change. Think of it as a warm internal glow that contributes to calorie burning. But the metabolic benefits of ginger extend beyond just heat production. Research suggests that ginger may also play a role in satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer, which can naturally lead to reduced caloric intake over time. It can also support healthy digestion, which, while not a direct metabolic boost, ensures that your body is efficiently processing nutrients and not expending unnecessary energy on sluggish digestion. This holistic benefit ensures your entire system is running optimally. Whether you add fresh grated ginger to stir-fries, steep it in hot water for a soothing tea, or use it in smoothies, incorporating ginger regularly provides a flavorful and scientifically sound way to subtly enhance your metabolic rate. It's a versatile root that offers more than just a culinary kick. It's a quiet champion for your body's internal furnace. So, there you have it, 3 simple, everyday foods that pack a powerful punch for your metabolism. Chili peppers with their capsaicin-induced thermogenesis, green tea leveraging the synergy of EGCG and caffeine for enhanced fat oxidation, and ginger, bringing its unique thermogenic and satiety-boosting properties. These aren't magic bullets, but rather intelligent additions to a balanced diet and active lifestyle. By integrating these foods, you're not just eating, you're actively supporting your body's natural ability to burn calories more efficiently, fostering greater energy and vitality. Ready to spice up your metabolism? Start by thoughtfully adding these 3 incredible foods to your meals. Discover how delicious and empowering it can be to fuel your body for optimal performance. Your journey to a more vibrant metabolism begins with your next bite.